Hello guys, welcome to Creative. One more uncut video. I'll be giving no video modifications, nothing. This is going to be an uncut demonstration. Why uncut? See, I've seen people fooling and lying on videos with forward reverse modules, with roll feed mechanism and everything. So that's the reason we always make clear cut and uncut videos. So this you can see, this is a roll stand, roll, and this is L805. Here you can see these are two L1800 printers. This is a sheet printer. This is not a roll printer, but I'm printing roll on it. Even same is the case with this printer. This is not a DTF printer, but see, you can see the wheels and everything. This is not a this is a original Epson printer with Epson inks. I use it for photo prints. So now I will be printing a roll and a print of 40 inch at a time with no pause, no breaks in between. So most of the people who are working on ID card lanyards, you can't print 40, 45, 50 inches of print in one go. So today I'll be showing you a software called ZigRoll, a patented product, how it takes print on roll. So what you will need, you must be having a printer. You will need this roll stand and roll and ZigRoll software. That's it. Now let me, before starting, I'll do one thing. I'll start with the printing, and in between I'll be explaining everything. So this is my 40 inch, you can see this is my 40 inch print. I'll just make sure I change units to centimeters, so you will be understand it easily. So hope you can see it is a 40, almost 100 centimeters length of image. Okay, now I'm aligning this image on the top. I'm hitting print. Okay, I have the software with me. I'm loading printer on the software. It says do 805 copy to, and I'm hitting on load roll option. Once I load the roll, my roll will be inserted in the printer. Okay. Okay, roll insert हो चुका है. We have got this print in the software now. I'll straight away hit start job. The printer has started printing this image. Okay, so in between, while it is printing, I'll tell you what other things you require along with this roll stand. A roll stand is simply a feeder. You can add your own roll stand. It's not something like you don't get it outside. You can use your own roll stand for it. In the market, there are so many forward reverse modules available. I've seen so many videos, and that is the reason actually I'm making uncut videos, so that उसका actual implementation कैसे होता है वो आपको पूरा पता चले. That is the reason I always upload uncut videos. So in no forward reverse module, I have seen a facility of printing non-stop. They'll cut the video, they'll speed up the video, and they'll show it to you. So even if it is available, just confirm from whoever you are buying with कि उसका आपके पास पूरा roll printing का option है क्या. I can print this 100 meters rolls at a time. So one more thing, this is not the only option available. If you want to do forward and reverse, for that functionality, you will need two buttons on the printer, inbuilt buttons on the printer to forward and reverse the roll. And this facility I have never seen in any Epson printer. You can go through my other videos wherein I have explained a printer with forward reverse module, and that works well. I always upload videos, upload stuff that actually works. Mine is a printing unit, so I keep printing things and I use these technologies. So it's not only just for sale, it is a working thing that is we are selling. You can see it will be a non-stop print. So lanyard की business में most of the people sublimation करते हैं तो उनको दिक्कत आती है, forward reverse होता नहीं है, या उनका पूरा continuous print 30 इंच के ऊपर आता नहीं है. That is the reason I decided to make this video. And about Zigroll, you get n number of options. Shake print head. So shake print head option उनके लिए है जिनके पास DTF printers है और जो DTF printer roll पे use करना चाहते हैं. Those who want to make DTF printers and they want to print roll on it, then you can use this function. Once you click here, the head will just move around here and there. So the inks in the head as in the damper, to shake those inks, this is an option. Head cleaning and everything, there are n number of options. Now once you rip this job, you can duplicate it for n number of times. You don't have to print it again. You can just mention here how many copies of job you need and what should be the distance between two prints. So easily you can manage this. Powdering is a functionality added for DTF users. In future we will be introducing a powder shaker machine, so the speed you can control it from here. In which ways it will be having a sensor, you will not need this option. You can refresh job, add job, remove job, apply, n number of things you can do from the software itself. You can see still it's printing. Okay, I will not stop the job, pause the job, nothing. What I'll do is I'll print one more job after it, because I just wanted to compare our software and module with other people. Maybe it's not just a comparison, but it's always whatever you buy, you should buy actual working thing. After buying module and software, you should not be asking us questions what's happening. So I'm making these points very clear. So even if I print 100 meters non-stop print at a time, it will print. This is a sublimation print. I am not printed it mirrored, just to show you exactly how does it work. This is a sublimation roll. You can do DTF also. So here you can see it's a non-stop, it's a continuous print. That's the reason I have added a bracket, just to make sure it is coming proper with no gap, no pause in between. So what I'll do, I have already ripped this job, okay, and I will just reprint that job again. So you don't have to rip it. As soon as I hit on start button, it has started printing. So believe me, this is a fantastic software and fantastic technology. So no one can print, literally nobody is printing rolls on 805 without any modifications. But you can see here, no modifications in the printer. Almost no modification. Okay, till the time I'll make one more job. Not only one job, you can add n number of jobs here. I'll print one image on it. Okay, I'm just adding one more job to the current feeded roll. अभी जो roll feed किया है उसी में मैं और एक job add कर देता हूँ. Okay, I thought software was okay. It's working, no issue. Okay, I'm adding one more job to the same printer. एक सिंपल छोटा सा जॉब मैं ऐड करके दिखा देता हूँ आपको. So you will understand the best thing in this Okay, I've added one more job. Once you hit print job, this is my previous job default 2, the 40-inch job I printed. So I've added one more job and it is here. Okay, this is it. I will again print on start job once my previous job is complete. So you can see no cut, nothing. You can just simply print 100 meters of roll at a time. So ink limits and everything you can modify at your end. If you want to pause, one more feature that I wanted to show you is you can pause this job. Okay, so I have hit on pause job. The job is paused now. You can cut the roll. Okay, you can simply cut the roll. In sublimation you will not face issue with lifting the roll up and down, but in DTF you have to pause it and then only you can remove it. For DTF we will be giving you such kind of glass trays, so that while the roll is on the top of this bed, you can pause it and you can simply cut it. So okay, resume the job please. Okay, I have resumed the job. It has printed, it has started printing. So all 4 6-tank ink printers you can convert to roll. So 2 options. Yes, again I'm coming back to the same point. 2 options you have. One is along with forward reverse buttons on it, or without it. So without buttons what will happen, and with buttons what will happen. So see, we don't have option right now on unmodified printers. We don't have option to take the job inside. Okay, you can take the job out, but you can't take it inside. But in additional, if you want to add additional buttons on it, once the roll is printed, you can take it inside. Okay, so I'll show you once this print is over how you can take it out, cut it, and rewind the roll. So this was the second roll we printed, second image of the same design. This is it. So now what you have to do is you will have to eject the roll. So what you can do, I'm cancelling the job and I'm cutting it. I'm printing eject to cut. You just eject it, cut the roll from here. Pakdo. Just hit on off button and eject the roll. That's it. Oh, we forgot to print one more image, right? Okay, no issue. So this is completely printed with nothing in between. This is a waste paper, so I am using it that way. Don't do it at your place. I wanted to try this on DTF, but I didn't want to waste the roll. That's the reason I printed this. So this is what a Zig roll can offer you. Thank you once again. Do subscribe if you like it, or leave it. That's it. Thank you.